2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and the passenger side window does not roll down. Passenger right does. Passenger left works as well. The driver's window doesn't work. Let's see if I can. So it doesn't work, but if I press the unlock button, oh, well, it's not working. It was working before. Okay, but if I command it with the launch, see, it goes down and up. So I'm gonna try to figure out what's going on with this switch, if it's receiving the signal. Well, obviously it's not. It worked a little bit. Okay, so that's where I'm at. And another thing I noticed is that this module, the door module front left, there is no communication with it. On the right, there is communication. So let's go after that. No communication with it. So this is what I found so far, that whenever I press on the driver's window, it doesn't go up or down, but if I move this wire loom, come on, and now it's not doing it because I'm recording. There it goes. So now it works, and if I let it go, it stops working. So I'm gonna take this off and see what I find. He's got 2 screws here. Let's see what we find. Houston, I think we found our problem. A bunch of cut wires. Wow. There's another one about to... Okay, so I'm gonna fix them, and then hopefully that'll take care of the problem. It's odd that sometimes it goes up and down, but okay, let's fix them. There's 1 down, or actually 2 down. Technical difficulties. Come on. Okay, I filled it up again. I think this one's a little bit too big. I'm gonna get a smaller one on the next one. But this is what I do. I just grab have it like this. Put the little hooks on. Make sure they're intertwined. Like that. Twist them like that. So now this thing, and that's it. And I forgot to put the heat shrink on. Okay, I'm gonna take it off and redo it. Okay, so that's all the wires fixed, soldered, heat shrinked. Let's put it back together and see if it works. So let's try. Okay, it works with this one and with this one. Even the dome lights came on now. What else? Oh, communication. Let's check communication with it. Let's see if this one is active now. Yep. Now we can talk to it. Let's see what kind of codes is. Lost communication with HVAC, CAN interior bus, lost communication. Lost communication. Let's clear DTCs. There's one there, tire pressure sensor 3 internal, but there are no more codes. That is it. So, found broken wires here. It's a 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I guess if you're having the same issue, the customer bought these two things from the junkyard. That in the module and replaced them. That didn't fix the problem, obviously, because, well, it had broken wires. Cool. Another one fixed. Thanks for watching.